How to change Samsung keyboard size. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can change the size of your Samsung keyboard. It's a very easy and simple process to learn it. You have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open up your mobile settings. And guys, I want to say something to you. After watching this video, if you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And once you are on your mobile settings, now scroll down until you find general management, and as you can see that general management, tap on it, and then here you'll get bunch of options, and one of is Samsung keyboard settings. Tap on it, and after that scroll down, and here you'll get size and transparency. Tap on it, and now you can resize it as you like. And after you're done with it, then tap on done. And now I'm going to show you, and as you can see that my keyboard size has been changed. So following this simple process, you can also change your keyboard size on your Samsung keyboard. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.